Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Handshake. They have 208 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. As always, the links to this Glassdoor page and the application page, if you want to apply for this job, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But Handshake is hiring a support specialist. Now, this is a contract role. This is remote for the United States. So as a contract role, this is going to be temporary. They say it's a 6-month contract with the possibility of contract extension. And you're also going to be a 1099 employee versus a W-2 employee, I do believe. Now, they do have some state restrictions. They can hire in these states. I will have this page linked again in the YouTube description box, and I'll have this up on the screen for just a second. But I am not going to read all of these states out. Sometimes I do in my videos, but there's a lot of states listed. But it does say you can work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in your time zone. So they are going to let you work in your own time zone, depending on the state you are in. Now, this is going to be a customer service role, so you will have to do a little bit of phone work, but the majority of the job is actually answering online tickets through ticketing systems and emails. It says you'll work 40 hours per week during business hours, providing amazing email and phone support to the Handshake customers via their internal ticketing system. Now, it says your day will consist of 90% of the job is resolving questions, bugs, so technical issues for the program, feedback, and general inquiries that customers have. You'll generally solve 10 to 30 tickets a day and 5 to 10 phone calls a day. It says note, email, and phone tickets involve highly technical troubleshooting, workflows, building and troubleshooting custom reports, and providing tailored and personal responses. So they want somebody who can build those loyal relationships with the customers, but your phone volume is going to be low at 5 to 10 calls per day. You'll also use app demo environments and troubleshooting tools and help center tools to find solutions to those tech issues. So you'll be both a support specialist and an experienced consultant for those Handshake platform users. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a 1-year experience in customer service, tech support, or some kind of call center role. They want someone who has ability to learn technical tools and concepts quickly, someone who can work as a team, has great communication skills, a passion for problem solving, and who is a critical thinker. Now, pay for this position is $25 an hour. And they offer great benefits, including health benefits, 401k, paid time off. They're also going to give you a $500 home office stipend for you to spend during your first three months to set up your home office. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.